Hello and welcome to Reader's Notebook, page 59. Today, on our second slide that is blue with our directions, we're going to be doing a November book browsing. This is pretty simple, and we're going to be writing down the titles of 5 books that we would like to read in page 59 of our Reader's Notebook. For those of you at home, you'll be watching my video on slide 4. Direction numbers 2, slide 6, and 7 are going to show you how to get to page 59. And then starting at slide 8, we're going to have these books that you can read and review and decide which books you want to read. There's going to be 4 rounds, and there's different numbers of books in each round. When you're all done, we'll go to page 59 and write the books, names of the books that you want. Down below the dotted line here, it says Reader's Notebook is due on Tuesday. I switched that from Monday originally because I'm going to add page 59 in here because it's pretty simple. So we've got pages 23, 24, 25, 26, and then 59. So we'll make a copy of that tomorrow, and you can share that with me tomorrow. Share the copy with me. And then the Writer's Notebook, if you haven't resubmitted it, I do have several stories up on the publishing on the website. You can go see that and read your story and other people's stories. Okay, so our learning target for today reads I can find at least 5 books that I would like to read. Okay, and we want you to look at least 10 different titles, okay, if you're able to. So kind of let's get started and let's see what we got. Here's where you would have the video on slide 4. All right, this is kind of what you're going to see, and we've done this before, but in the middle here, we have the name of the book, and then there's a short summary of what the book's about. If you want to see the trailer here, my picture covers this a little bit. You click here, you can see a movie trailer or a book trailer about the book. And in the upper left-hand corner, you see Sora here. It'll tell where you can get check out the book if you want to. And if you like a book and it's not available, you can put a hold on it as well. All right, so after you've read through all the slides that I'll show you in a moment, you're going to go to your Reader's Notebook, okay, and you're going to click on section 4, and it's actually section 3. Why it's section 4, I have no idea, but this is entitled Books You Want to Read. You click on that, and what that's going to take you to is page 57. 57 is going to look like this, and it says section 3 here. Here's where you keep track of your books. You go to the next page, that's 58. And this has the 2 videos that Mr. Fries put on from Mrs. Bovary on how to get a book from a BMS library, a printed copy, and then how to get a digital copy on the bottom. So if you need a refresher, this is a good place that you can go. But we want you to go to page 59 when you're done. And if you look at the middle here, it says November book browsing list. We did this once earlier in the year. And you just write down the names of the books that you would like to read. Mr. Fries also said you could put a link to the lesson in here if you want to. So if you go through the future and you see one of these books, you could just click right here and you can find out a little bit more about that book. So here's how what you're going to do when you scroll down your slides. There's a lot of slides here because each book has a slide. So we have round 1. There's 8 books. Okay, so you read all through the choices. Okay, this is the first one that we already saw, Warcross. And you go through, all right. Again, they'll all be kind of a similar format. Here's the summary. Here's where you click to see the trailer or what the book's about. And this one here says Mr. Fries has a copy. Okay, and I am going to go out of present mode for just a minute if I can. And so as you scroll down, you'll see on the left here, there's a lot of books. Okay, and you just find we'd like you to read at least 10. Okay, of these. Right here, this one here, and you can see here it says click to see book trailer. Up here, I guess I said movie trailer earlier, it's book trailer. And up here you have, this is the Portage Library, where you can go see. And you get through that list, and now this is round 2. Okay, and this one has 8 books as well. And you just keep going down. And it's not to put overwhelming, just to kind of break it up for you. Okay, different categories in each round. And you can take a look, and when you're all done, you should get down to the bottom, and the directions get restated. And then Mr. Fries also wanted us to thank a teacher named Mrs. Rip from Oregon, Wisconsin. She is the one who put this whole list of books together, of books that you would want to possibly read. So going back to the directions again, makes a little more sense now. If we start at number 4, spend about 5 minutes on each round. Okay, and here's how many books are in each round. And then when you're done, go to page 59, like we said, and just write the titles down. Okay, and on this page here. Okay? And then we'll ask you to copy and share these pages with us tomorrow from our Reader's Notebook. That should be pretty simple. When you're all done with this, then you could read for 20 minutes. Okay? I hope you had a great weekend. Again, if you have any questions, please let us know. Good luck reading. Bye-bye.